Today we are reviewing Comica Vimo S mi wireless microphone for iPhone with charging case, MFI certified, 5-hour battery life with 656 feet range, dual channel mini microphone for iPhone, video recording, vlogging, and live streaming. With a dual version that fits all your devices, the Comica Vimo S is available in both USB-C and Lightning versions. There are different versions to choose from depending on the audio input connector on your phone. A wide range of leading mobile phones, tablets, and PCs are compatible with this software. There is no need to install additional software or drivers. With its magnetically attracted receiver and integrated design, the Comica Vimo S wireless microphone has been designed with a special integrated design. There are two separate things inside the case, a charging case and a carrying case. This mic is made of ultra lightweight material and can easily be carried around thanks to its finger-sized design. It is very easy to use because of its USB digital input. Neither the power nor the pairing of this device is required. Plug it in and you're ready to go. There is a 24-bit DSP denoising chip integrated into the Comica Vimo S wireless microphone system, which enables intelligent denoising of the audio signals with an additional function called one-touch denoising. Your audio will be clear in complex radio settings. This was review for Comica Vimo S mi wireless microphone.